Hey, it's Jimmy with Able Travels. We got some exciting news. My replacement scooter is in. I made my decision after a lot of research, and I want to show you what I chose. So let's check it out. After a lot of research, I chose the Pride GoGo Super Portable. Pride is a leading mobility scooter brand, and the super portable part was exactly what I needed. The turning radius was a big factor for me. At 52 inches, it makes tight spaces much easier to manage, which matters a lot when I'm cruising. The orange color helps represent my favorite football team, the Cincinnati Bengals. Hooday! So that was the icing on the cake for me and my decision. The scooter is available in 3 additional colors if you don't like the orange. It also folds flat, which makes it easier to store on a plane or in the trunk of a vehicle. The Super Portable folds manually in just a couple of steps. At only 41 pounds without the battery, it's light enough for one person to lift into an SUV or car trunk. Even with my limited mobility and balance, I found it much easier to load and unload than my last scooter, and that's a huge plus. The battery range and charging setup are another big perk. The 12 amp lithium battery is lightweight, easy to remove, and gets up to 10 miles of range. My favorite part is the Charge 360 magnetic charger, which means no awkward prongs to line up anymore. So there you have it. The scooter starts a new era for me after a long run with my previous one, which served me quite well. I also want to give credit to American Airlines and their claims company for making things right after my scooter was damaged. The process was easy and I felt well taken care of.